Let's talk about the Congress party in Bihar appears to be deeply divided after its crushing defeat. Now a major uproar broke out at the state office where rebel leaders staged a sit-in dharna, even as the party issued show-cause notices to nearly 43 members for alleged anti-party activities. Purnia MP Pappu Yadav reached the protest site, triggering chaos inside the office. Slogans were raised against the MP with rebels accusing him of interference, turning the Congress versus Congress battle into a full-blown spectacle in Bihar. Let's get you this ground report.
बिहार विधानसभा चुनाव में टिकट बंटवारे को लेकर कांग्रेस में जिस तरह से धांधली का आरोप लगा है, उसके बाद जो पार्टी के पुराने कार्यकर्ता नेता हैं वो देखिए यहां पर सदाकत आश्रम में प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं और लगातार जो टिकट बंटवारे के दौरान जिस तरह से कांग्रेस में टिकट बेचने का आरोप लगा और जिस तरह से कई तरह के आरोप आप देखिए हाथों में तख्तियां लेकर ये तमाम जो नेता हैं वो यहां पर प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। क्या विरोध है आप लोग?
देखिए, विरोध ये है कि हम लोगों को किसी भी कीमत पे जिन लोगों ने कांग्रेस को बेच दिया है, जिन लोगों ने भाजपा, आरएसएस और जदयू के हाथों में गिरवी रखा है, उनसे सदाकत आश्रम खाली कराया जाए, उनको बर्खास्त किया जाए। इसमें कृष्णा अल्लावरू, उनके तीनों सचिव देवेंद्र यादव, शाहनवाज आलम और सुशील पासी, तो ऐसे लोगों को यहां से खदेड़ना है। हम लोग किसी भी कीमत पे अपने सच की लड़ाई लड़ेंगे, राहुल जी के सपने को हर कीमत पे साकार करेंगे और इन लोगों की चंगुल से कांग्रेस को मुक्त कराएंगे।
टिकट वितरण में जो धांधली हुई, राहुल गांधी के करियर से खिलवाड़ किया गया। उन्होंने इसमें भरोसा किया, उन्होंने राहुल गांधी कहते वोट चुन गद्दी छोड़ उनके साथ हैं, लेकिन टिकट बेचने वाले को हटाना।
वर्तमान विधायक थे तब भी आपको टिकट नहीं?
जो व्यक्ति हारे हुए थे बेल्दौर से, उसको ला करके हमको टिकट करवाया है, ये जांच के विषय है। 23,000 वोट से हार गए।
बिहार प्रदेश अध्यक्ष राजेश राम जी अपने चुनाव में लग गए। वो पूरे बिहार में आज ऐसा अध्यक्ष आज तक नहीं आया कि बिहार नहीं घुमा। दलित बना के, दलित के चलते उसमें बनाया गया था कि दलित का वोट मिलेगा, लेकिन दलित ने भी उसको वोट नहीं दिया, नकार दिया। और हम मांग करते हैं कि राजेश राम को बर्खास्त करे, अल्लावरू को बर्खास्त करे और तीनों सिलेक्टिव को बर्खास्त करे, यही मेरी मांग है।
तो देखिए ये नाराजगी है और नाराजगी वाजिब है, क्योंकि पार्टी का जो परफॉर्मेंस रहा है इस पूरे विधानसभा चुनाव में, उससे पहले ही ये तमाम जो नेता हैं ये आरोप लगा रहे थे कि टिकट बेचा गया है और उसी को लेकर इस तरह की हालत जो है कांग्रेस की बिहार में देखी गई है।
Well, that is the Congress in Bihar appearing to be deeply divided after its defeat. The uproar that broke out at the state office where many of these rebel leaders staging a sit-in protest at Dharna, even as the party has issued show-cause notices to at least 43 members for anti-party activities. But as far as when it comes to the Prabhari itself is concerned, Shivam is connected with us. There is a lot of divide now within the Congress party as it is being witnessed, especially when it comes to the Bihar performance, Shivam. There are leaders, their own party leaders. Mr. Tariq Anwar is connected with us. Let's go across to him. Mr. Tariq Anwar, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Mr. Tariq Anwar, sir, we just, put out your post where you are questioning as far as the party's performance in Bihar is concerned. What are the concerns that you have been raising, sir?
My concern is very clear. The result itself shows. And I asked my party colleague and Bihar leaders, senior leaders, that they should introspect the election result and as well as performance of the party. And I also suggested them that they should take responsibility and they should leave their post responsibility.
Sir, who do you believe should take up that responsibility? Because pictures are coming in from the Bihar Congress office, sir. There are multiple leaders and karyakartas who are raising their voice, saying that multiple of the concerns that were raised by them went unheard. The party leadership did not hear them.
Yeah, that's why I am requesting them, the leadership, the state leadership, that they should take responsibility because they were in the affair of the party. And they were directly responsible for the performance of the party. So it is better to offer their resignation from the respective position.
सर, कांग्रेस पार्टी के प्रभारी जो इंचार्ज थे कृष्णा अलुवारू, उनके लिए भी आपको आपत्ति थी एज फार एज क्लेमिंग दैट इट कंट्रीब्यूटेड टू अ फ्लॉड कैंपेन स्ट्रेटजी फॉर कांग्रेस?
In my tweet, it is clear that whoever responsible for the party debacle, they should take responsibility.
Right. But as far as meetings that have been happening, Mr. Anwar, Congress party has decided to go out and protest against the SIR. Now, do you believe that this strategy that has been taken up by the Congress party, because we are not looking at any acceptance of defeat on part of the party?
No. We will concern about SIR also. But at the same time, the performance of the party, organization of the party is also a very serious matter. And where we are lacking, we should introspect, and in future it should be defined.
Mr. Tariq Anwar, appreciate you joining us here on the broadcast. Thank you very much. But it's not easy as far as when it comes to party leadership, this is concerned. And a senior leader like Tariq Anwar, who's putting out certain questions, asking his own party high command to actually give answers, to introspect. And when it comes to all of the wrongs that have been done by the party, to correct the course, rather than to go out and protest against the SIR, all of that, as far as the problems are concerned, the mistakes are concerned, that needs to be fixed. But the dissent that is now erupted from within, will get you more reactions that have been coming in as far as the poll defeat is now concerned. On part of, we'll come to you, Shivam, in just a bit, but Akansha, the reactions that have been coming in, BJP on its part has been saying कि ये तो होना ही था, this was bound to happen, as the Mahagathbandhan itself was standing on shaking grounds.
Absolutely. There's Congress versus Congress in the state of Bihar. We've been showing our viewers the visuals of the massive protests outside the Congress headquarters there in Bihar. And on that, the Bharatiya Janata Party has hit out at the Congress party. And this is the reaction that has come in from Shehzad Poonawalla. He said, Krishna Aluvuru ne Bihar Congress ko barbad kiya, bottom se bhi niche pahunchaya. Pappu Yadav tries to pacify Congress netas, but they do not seem to be buying the vote chori narrative. They say ticket chori hua hai. Congress SIR vote chori narrative punctured by their own is what the Bharatiya Janata Party has said. But at the same time, we are seeing that the Congress leaders continue to raise the issue of SIR, not just in Bihar, but across the nation.
All right. What is the role being played here by Pappu Yadav, Shivam? Because as far as when it comes to this inner circle of the Congress party is concerned, remember the days when initially Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav started with their yatra, Pappu Yadav wasn't given that space on stage to actually stand with them.
Exactly, Amita, and now we have seen recently how Pappu Yadav has risen high on when it comes to the levels and when it comes to the post that has been given to him in the recent time. Yesterday also we have seen him going to meet these leaders, but it only resulted in igniting the fire more, as he was also met with a lot of dissent as well. He just basically tried. Again, it's a question whether he is trying to promote his personal post inside the party, or whether he has been given certain posts, because there has been no any official announcement made. He was a part of those meetings also before the election, and which was also not entertained very well by the senior leaders, as he has recently joined and he has been the independent MP in Bihar as well. So Pappu Yadav trying very hard. Yesterday also he sat on the ground, he sat on the floor with those leaders, trying to convince them, but again the result seems to be going nowhere for Pappu Yadav, at least for now, and also for the higher leadership for now.
All right, so Karyakartas there of the Congress party continuing with their protest. They are demanding answers from the party leadership, sitting on a dharna. But what does the Congress party do in return? It issues show cause notices to those Karyakartas for alleged anti-party activities. But as far as the role of Pappu Yadav is concerned, there you can see him on those pictures there sitting on that dharna along with the Congress party Karyakartas there to quell the tensions. These were the scenes that were witnessed when he arrived amid the protest. Pappu Yadav speaks up. He slammed the protesting workers and the Karyakartas, uses derogatory remarks against the protesters and the Congress netas and Pappu Yadav, who seems to be engaging in a heated argument.
ये जो विरोध हो रहा है, ये कह रहे हैं कि टिकट बेचा गया, ऐसा हुआ था क्या? आपको लगता है?
ऐसा होता है क्या? सीईसी तय करती है, सीडब्ल्यूसी तय करता है। कांग्रेस में इस जन्म में होता है किसी परिवार को, किसी को, ये एनडीए है क्या पूरा परिवार को मंत्री संतरी, दादा नाना, चाचा काका, बेटा नाती नतनी, समधी समधीन, पुतौ सब चुनाव में टिकट ले। कांग्रेस डेमोक्रेटिक है, सीसी के अलावा दूसरी कोई बात नहीं।
लेकिन हार की वजह क्या मानते हैं?
चोरी
आरजेडी की भूमिका किस तरह से देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि अति उत्साह में थी पार्टी?
भैया चोरी सब, इंडिया गठबंधन को कोई चुनाव नहीं हरा सकता था। बीजेपी और चुनाव आयोग मिल करके सारे कुकर्म किए हैं, चारों तरफ से वोट के अधिकार गरीबों के छीने हैं, चोरी किए हैं। वीवीपैट पर मैं चाहता हूं उसका गिनती हो जाए, वीवीपैट की किसी भी कीमत पर। ईवीएम पर भरोसा नहीं किया जा सकता, किसी भी कीमत पर नहीं। और एसआईआर जिस तरीके से करने के बाद और 1,73,00,000 वोट अधिक पड़े, ये गलत थी।
Well, the Chori narrative still continuing on part of the Congress and its Samarthak, but it seems that the Congress party in Bihar is facing tough times now after its poor performance in the 2025 Assembly elections. With the steep decline in the seat count, there is a lot of cadre dissatisfaction as well, and disciplinary action against the leaders for anti-party activities. Well, that is now been sought by the party leadership.